Hi everyone, Steve Young here. 6 months ago in September 2021, I purchased this M1 Macbook Air 256 gigabyte 13-inch model from BestBuy.com as an open box model. In this video, I will discuss number one, if I recommend buying open box items from Best Buy. Number two, how much money I saved by purchasing open box. Number three, if there is any noticeable difference in quality. And number four, how my family and I use the laptop because everyone is different. You want to know if you can trust Best Buy's open box division. Well, don't worry. In my opinion and experience, you can. But you probably already knew that. Best Buy is a reputable place with brick and mortar locations everywhere, plus a fantastic online presence. Plus, when I received this laptop, it was eligible for Apple Care Plus and Best Buy's very own Geek Squad protection. So if I needed additional warranty and protection, I had options. In this video that I originally posted on September 13, 2021, you can see the unboxing process. Okay, so here is the box. It has never been opened. And one of the things you're going to notice right away is that there's no clear vinyl wrap on it, and it's sealed up with that black Best Buy tape. It's got a bunch of kind of red borderline stickers on it. Overall, the box looks like it's in pretty good condition. I believe that this was the original box. I do want to say it was the original box. And here I am pointing it out that it is completely sealed. It has never been opened. Yeah, here am I demonstrating that it's completely sealed. You can see a big, kind of a reddish sticker, red borderline sticker on the front, and a small one on the back. Here I am flipping the knife open and being a cool guy. That's one. That's two. A couple small edges. Okay, so far the differences are no clear vinyl wrap, and it's sealed together with the black Best Buy protective tape. Here we are, the actual unboxing of it. And there's the machine. It looks good. One of the things that I want you to kind of notice is that it usually comes with some kind of like paper kind of wrapper on top of it. Since this was an open box product, it's not coming with that. Just open it up. Boom. You can see inside the box just a tiny bit. All the accessories and everything, cords, power plug, it's all there. Okay, there I am, thumbs up, everything looks good. Here I am taking an inspection of the outside. I'm looking for scratches, dings, damage, making sure that all the screws are there, that maybe I see something, that all the feet are clean, that the product looks like it's advertised. It was advertised as excellent condition? Excellent certified. It was advertised as excellent certified. The feet look good. The feet are sticky. I was confirming over here. So I've done a physical inspection of the outside. It should chime here. And that's that. So just as a reminder, brand new, this laptop cost $999 from Apple. Through Best Buy's open box program in September 2021, I was able to snag this laptop for $701.99. And that is around $300 off and equals a 30% discount. Now, in your opinion, Is this open box laptop sufficient with $300 off? Was the clear vinyl wrapping, the paper wrappers on the laptop screen and keyboard worth $300? Personally, I say no. No, the paper wrappers and the vinyl wrappers are not worth $300. Okay, here we'll play rock, paper, scissors. You versus me. If you win, you do nothing. If I win, you subscribe. If we tie, you press the like button, all right? Ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Thanks for playing. I saved $300, but I did not get the exact model that I wanted. Originally, I wanted the space gray model. We had this MacBook Pro for many years, and I was ready to switch up the colors from silver to something else. To me, gold was just a little bit too flashy. So the space gray made sense. However, when I looked on BestBuy.com, the silver model that I ended up with was at a much steeper discount than the space gray. I had to think about it a little bit. How committed am I to space gray? So I walked away for 15 seconds and I decided that no, I'm actually not so committed to the color. I'm way more interested in paying as little as possible. And when I made up my mind, I decided to add it to my cart. And you guessed it, it was gone. This was gone from the website, and I was gutted. But then how can it be here with me? Well, long story short, it was gone from BestBuy.com for about 20 minutes, but then it popped back up online again. So this time, I didn't hesitate. I purchased it immediately. I sealed the deal. So the moral of this story is that if you find a good deal, don't wait. If you buy it, you get the option to return it. But if you miss out, okay, I would like to explain what I needed in a laptop, how my family and I use this machine. So my family and I use this laptop every day, every single day. On average, we use this laptop for about 2 hours and 30 minutes a day. My kids and I use it to stream shows, online browsing, Zoom calls, all the way to video production and editing. This laptop is handled by myself, an 11-year-old and a 6-year-old. So suffice to say, it needs to be a little bit rugged. Also, I often take this laptop to a coffee shop so that I can work, and my kids use it at home frequently. All said, it's a work machine. Okay, a super quick MacBook Air review because that's not really the topic of this video. But after 6 months of use, I love this machine more and more every day. There is really nothing serious to complain about it. I wish it had a USB-C port right over here. That would have been handy. The only time the chip in here kind of struggles is when I'm editing videos and have Google Chrome open at the same time. Otherwise, it's streamlined. I have an embarrassing 50 to 60 tabs open in Chrome pretty much all the time between myself and 2 other people. This computer is a workhorse. It simply gets things done. It's amazing. Accessories, I got a case for it because I got a 6-year-old. I got this Anchor USB hub from Amazon. Okay, so that's my take on purchasing from Best Buy's open box department. Best Buy is a trustworthy retailer and they know what they're doing. I saved $300 off retail for an Apple laptop that I use every single day. My family and I have absolutely gained more than $700 of value from this machine. Going back to my story, if you find the product that you want at the price that you want, don't hesitate. Don't make the mistake that I did. Just snatch it up, deal with the details later. I hope that this video was helpful for you. My name is Steve Young, and thank you so much for watching. Right, I gotta clean up here a little bit. Got some post-it notes and things, and my hands are cold. And oh, you back for more, huh? Okay, okay. Rock paper scissors. We know the rules. You win. You do nothing. I win. You subscribe. We tie. You press like. All right. Rock paper scissors shoot. You didn't think I'd do that again. Well, I did.